Wheatridge update. End of February. Went into the barn. Not been in here for a while, but it's all being opened up now. The windows are all out. This is going to be the doorway in, or one of them. That will be where the staircase goes to the first floor, but all that floor is being replaced with new steels and new flooring. So yeah, and knock through at the end into the gym and the utility room. Okay, and then outside the steels are built for the glass box now, as you can see. So you will be walking now when it's done, literally on a new floor, obviously. And this will all be special glass. Obviously the wall won't be there, it'll be all finished, you know, but look at the size of it, it's huge. The lads have done well this week. It took them about 8-9 days to do all this. They've been pouring concrete in. Building inspector's happy. That's Larry and Daniel. So yeah, it's really going along nicely now. Good stuff.